guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have Wantable and I got it by accident. I have the service set for a new box every 3 months, and apparently 3 months has passed since my last box. I didn't realize that. So all of a sudden they're like, okay, we're sending you a box, and I was surprised by it. So I'm not mad at that because it's always fun to get boxes, and even as I'm doing a closet clean out, I still plan on getting, you know, boxes here and there to continue to refresh my wardrobe, and because it's fun, and that's kind of the basis of my channel, is these unboxings. So these don't come from me. I am still working on cleaning the closet, but yes, there are a few new pieces that will also go into the closet. So let's dig into it. I don't think I asked for anything specific because I didn't know it was time for this. So this is just a wonderful Christmas surprise. Wantable is a style service similar to all the rest. There is a styling fee of $20 that gets applied to anything you purchase. They send you 7 items, so I do like that about it, is you get a couple extra items, and you get the 25% off if you buy 5 or more items. So I like that deal. So you do get the 25% off if you buy 5 or more items. I do have a referral link below if you want to try the service for yourself. And that's it. Let's dive into it. I was planning on showing you guys the bundle, but in my attempts to get out of the box, it busted. So we'll just pull out each piece and go from there. Okay, from Z Supply, we have, this is a thermal material, a raglan style, batwing style top here. I like it. It's a great at-home slouchy piece. I think it's cute. I like that it's not too long. So we'll see what that's like when it's on. Next up, we have this animal print. Oh, overalls. Well, that's different. I definitely don't have anything like this. It's not a denim. It's more of like a thick knit, a stiffer knit. But it's not a denim, and you know, it's unique. I don't know what I'm gonna think of overalls, but I'm certainly willing to try it. Z Supply. So there we go. Interesting. Next up, and I really like this color. It's unique. I'm not even trying to give this color a name. I don't know what it is, but if I like the feel of this sweater. This is by Gentle Fawn. And, you know, a nice pullover sweater with a simple stripe detail there. So I like this quite a bit. Next up, we have a pair of jeans by Flying Monkey. Don't know that I've heard of that. Button fly, distressed, skinny jean. Wantable always sends me kind of a size smaller than I usually go, so we'll see how difficult these are going to be to get on. They don't seem super stretchy. They're almost kind of closer more to the retro denim-y feel, so we'll see. I like the looks of this. This looks fuzzy and cozy. All right, this is by Dreamers, and it is a cream color with a you know, kind of an animal print look to it with the tan. Fuzzy and cute. I like the looks of it, and we'll just kind of see what that looks like on. No pockets though. The last piece we have here is a heathered gray, I think it's a hooded cardigan, I want to say. So we've got the hood here, and kind of a duster type cardigan, pretty long, and does have pockets, and soft, and the brand is Wantable. So there we go. Okay, well, I like all these pieces. I am excited to try them on, and so we can see what we think. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have 2 of the pieces on here, the jeans, which will get worn with almost everything, and this thermal top here. Now, I think the thermal top is cute and very cozy. So overall, I like it. Now, my thing is I have warmed up to the dolman, the batwing. I have warmed up a little bit to it. I'm much more open to it. I can kind of appreciate the slouchy look that it provides. That being said, I don't think when it comes to my wardrobe, it's gonna stand the test of time. So I like it right now because it is the trend and I think it looks cute. I don't think I'm gonna think it looks cute in a few years or something like that. So I doubt I will keep this because I'm trying to keep this type of style to a minimum in my wardrobe. So that's my feelings on it. I like it, but I don't think I'm gonna like it for long enough to actually keep it. So next piece. So my thoughts on this sweater is that I like it. I like it quite a bit. That being said, and I always like to see what it looks like with a little front tuck or front tied side tuck or something like that. So that being said, I don't think I am going to be all that excited to wear it though. So it's like I like it, but it's not something that I feel super cute in or anything like that. So I don't see myself being like, yay, I can't wait to wear this today. So I've got enough sweaters that unless I feel super excited about something, I'm probably not going to end up keeping it. But it feels like really good quality. I will say I did notice a snag on it when I went to go try it on. So, you know, that I would get a replacement if I wanted to keep it. But I just don't think I want to keep it. Maybe I would have been more into it if it was like a shorter torso. But I don't know. I just kind of feel about it. Okay, next top. Okay, I think I somehow missed this top when I was pulling items out of the box. I'm not quite sure how that happened. But boom, surprise, here it is. So this is by Wantable. And this kind of has a heathered look to it. It's kind of a black heathered top, cowl neck, soft material, though not super warm, strangely. Again, this is more of a soft on the outside than on the inside. Again, that just confuses me as to why that's a thing. Stop it. But, I mean, I like it, but I just don't know how excited it makes me. So, all right, let's keep going. Okay, so now we have the heathered gray hoodie duster. Now, I don't know what my feelings are yet. I'm figuring this out. So, first of all, that's a stray string. Hopefully that wasn't important. I do like that it has pockets, has a cozy feel to it, but again, all the softness is on the outside, so that's unfortunate. The sleeves are a little long, but not too bad, but it has these long cuffs that make it very foldable, so to whatever length I want it. So there we go. The hood, you know, adds to kind of the cozy feel of it. If I walked around like this all the time. Anyways, so I like it. I do. It's a good cozy piece, a good wear with leggings piece. I like that. So this one's a maybe. I might keep this one. All right, Dorothy, come here. Come here. Guys, this is Dorothy. She's made a few appearances now. This is her new thing, is to come up and say hi to me as I'm recording and demand pats. So pats she shall get. All right, next cardigan. All right, here we go. Another duster, and this one's a no. I mean, I think we can all see that this one pretty much envelops me. The Dreamer cardigans, they're usually like a small / medium, and they're meant to be a little bit oversized. At least that's been my experience. Now, you know, you see models in these oversized, and somehow they like, you know, have the sleeves scrunched up, and you know, they're like this, and you're like, oh my gosh, that's the cutest cardigan of all time. Well, that's not practical. This is what I would look like this in most of the time. So I think this is just too oversized for my taste. And next we have the overalls. I'm very excited about these because they're way outside my comfort zone, so it should be fun. I was about to change into the overalls, and then I realized that I forgot to talk about the jeans. So the jeans, they are a really great fit. So not too tight. I do wish they did have some more stretch to them. I do like the button up the front. I like the wash. My favorite part is the waistband is really great, not gapping, things like that. They are a little long, so I do have a double roll on them. I have been I went through closet clean out of distressed jeans and regular jeans, and while I like these, I don't know that I love them enough to add them to what I have. I don't know that I would reach for them over the jeans that I have. So I don't think these are keepers, but I don't have a single bad thing to say about these. I'm actually really happy with them, and yeah, I like them a lot, but I just can't, guys. I just can't. So, okay, now the overalls. Okay, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm actually a little bit mixed on this. I expected to put it on and be like, oh no, but I kind of like it, guys. So here's what I like about it. First of all, I like that it is kind of a thin leg to it, a skinny leg to it. I think that's cute. I like that it came rolled up. Oh, it is sewn rolled up, so it does have a sewn cuff there. It's a great length for me, a really great length. I did have to bring the suspenders to the shortest possible setting, I guess you could say. So I did have to bring everything up as short as possible. And it's a really good fit, And I don't know, but it's like, where am I wearing this, guys? I don't know where I would wear this, but I kind of dig it. So we'll see what the price is, but I can't keep this because I'm never gonna wear it. You guys know that. I'm never gonna wear it. I'm working through this mentally, but I like it. It's cool. It's comfortable. It's very comfortable. Do I just wear it at home? Is it worth it? I don't know what it costs. So I have some things to figure out, but I feel very mixed on this. So I think knowing what the price of it is will actually help make my decision for me. So that brings us to, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. All right, guys, let's start here at the top. So this is the high-rise skinny ankle with button fly by Flying Monkey Jeans, $68. Again, I have nothing bad to say about them, though. Maybe a little bit more stretch, but from a fit perspective, I really like these, and if my jean closet wasn't so full, they would definitely be keepers. So, but not gonna keep them. So then we have by Wantable, the Solid Yummy Hoodie Cardigan in Heather Gray, $58. So this is a maybe, and I think this video I actually need to watch back before I make my final decision. I like this. It's a super just cozy leggings, stay at home, or even go out. It's still cute. Cardigan, so I'm leaning towards keeping that, but I'd like to see it on myself. Then by Westfield, the brush collar neck pocket tunic, and this is $58, and I like it, but there was just nothing about it that really stood out for it, so I don't think I'm gonna keep that. Then by Z Supply, we have the Claire Waffle long sleeve top in $58. It calls that color copper. I liked it, but I just don't think, first of all, I don't $60 like it, and I don't think it's gonna stand the test of time for me. Then we have by Z Supply the French Terry overalls in leopard and $79. Now, I mean, I weirdly like them. They were so comfortable. I felt cute in them. So these are also a maybe. I'd like to see myself again in the playback, and you know, because it's a different angle than just looking at a mirror, and see what I think, but it is a maybe on that one. Then by Dreamers, the animal print cardigan, $69. It is just enveloped me, so not gonna keep that. The Gentle Fawn sweater, this is the striped Crofton sweater, and this is $79. It's calling that color sandalwood, since I didn't even attempt to name it. And this one, I like it, but again, there was nothing about it that really stood out that made me feel like I should add it to my wardrobe. So, not gonna keep that. So, I have a couple maybes, and you know, I'll check out my video and see what I think. I'd love to hear what you guys think about all the pieces, even if I don't plan on keeping them. I just love getting your guys' feedback. So, feel free to do that in the comments below. And that's it. That's my Wantable, a very successful box, a lot of unique pieces, so I had a great time. Hopefully you guys did too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below. and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay.